Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to buy a domain name on Squarespace. So to do this, when you are on squarespace.com and you logged into your account, you want to click on your profile icon right there. And then you will be able to see domains right there. So we want to click on that. Now, as you can see, I don't have no domain, any domain here. You can transfer it here or get a domain. So we want to click on get a domain. And you will be able to you will be redirected to this page where you can start your domain name search here. So let's, for example, write down something like so, and you want to search for it. Now, as you can see, these are the options, and you basically choose an option which fits you the best. So for example, let's choose any of these options. It doesn't really matter. Now you want to continue to checkout. And now, as you can see, you will be able to fill out all the registration, like a contact information, phone number, address. This is your order summary. And then when you fill everything out, now once you're done with your address and billing information, you will be able to fill out the credit or debit card. So you want to do that. Or you can also do a SEPA direct debit, and then you save and continue. And you will be able to find your domain here. So yeah, if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.